Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a Adobe Acrobat PDF editor clone directly in the browser using the latest version of Angular. So we are running this application on localhost. So it's entirely built inside the Angular framework. If I show you the package.json file, we are using the latest version of Angular, which is at the time of recording this video is 21, and we are also using Tailwind. And this is for building this, we are using Mozilla PDF.js and PDF-LIB library. We have included the CDN here, as you can see. So it's actually divided into various components are right here. So I've given the link. You can directly purchase the full source code. So let me show you the actual PDF editor. Right here, you simply select a PDF file that you want to edit. After that, the pages will show the live preview. After you select the PDF file, you will be able to read the PDF file. It has all the controls out there. You can go to any page. You can zoom in, zoom out, everything. And now we on the left hand side, you will see the option. So if you want to edit, you simply click the pencil icon and quite a number of options will appear. So this option is the, let's suppose you want to digitally sign. You can basically digitally sign your and just embed the signature, just adjust the size and place it accordingly. You can come to the next page, come to the first page, and this in this page, if you want to add something, you simply click and add your text and just enter the text. Again, you select the location, just input the text and that text will be added. And then we also have the option to add images. You can place the image accordingly. And then if you want to highlight something, you basically can draw something here using your pencil. It's very easy. As you can see, you can highlight anything. I come to the next page here. Again, we do the same thing. We can highlight anything. And if you want to embed a watermark, you basically have the watermark tool that you will simply say, and this option will come. And here you can adjust it. So I put my channel name coding Shiksha. Here you can adjust the font here. You can adjust the size here. In real time, as you can see, the watermark is added. You can even adjust the color of the watermark as well. You can adjust the opacity as well. So after doing this, you will see the watermark is successfully added in both the pages. And now you can actually, after that, if you also want to add the page numbers, you can even do that as well. Just select any design and automatically that page number will be added for you. This is the first page on the right hand side, as you can see. This is a quite a good application, guys. It will save you a lot of time. After that modifying, you can click the download button. So everything will be saved here. You will see that the watermark is also added, digital signature is also, text, images, highlighting, everything is saved. So I think this is a great application. If you are interested in purchasing it, the link is given in the description. uh, as I showed you, it can do anything. It's entirely developed in Angular. As I showed you, the latest version we are using, which is 21. It's a ready-made application. You can actually add features on top of this application. It will save you a lot of time. If you're looking forward for a PDF editor project in Angular, definitely purchase it. The link is given in the description. You will automatically get the code from Google Drive. So definitely check out.